Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me today. And today I've got a very special package to share with you. This has come from my lovely friend Kay Maud, who is Kazakins here on YouTube. And before we start, let me tell you I will leave as many links as I can find for Kay in the description box below. If you struggle to find her, contact me and I'll put you in touch. Kay is a renowned crafter, a very prolific crafter, and her eye for detail is amazing. I have lots and lots of her hand beaded jewellery. You'll often see me wearing her beautiful designs and her beautiful work. And so Kay is primarily loves her beading, and she's decided to expand and give us some products for our journaling. For our junk journals, planners, notebooks, stationery addicts, everybody's going to love these. And these are some items where Kay is using her knowledge of beading and her expertise at putting things together to create beautiful embellishments, handmade embellishments for our journals, which she is going to be selling. They are going to be available to order and to purchase. This is a little beautiful card that she's made for me, and a set of matching gift tags. Aren't they beautiful? So let me just show you. First of all, Kay packages everything beautifully. All of these have come on cards and they were all in cello bags. I took them out before just to save a little bit on time. So these items are all handmade by Kay. All of the items are sourced by her and put together by her. And the idea of all of these, as I say, is to adorn your junk journal. So if you make your own journals, or your notebooks, or your planners, you can order these from Kay and she will make them to order for you specially. I'm sure she would fit within colour suggestions if she has the appropriate thing. And, you know, they're absolutely beautiful. Now, the benefit of buying these things already made is that you don't have to make them yourself, obviously. You've got them there ready in your stash. They're all ready to go. It makes your creating of your journals faster because you've already got the stuff. And you know, and I mean, if I wanted to make these, I'd have to go and source these little clasps here, these ends. I don't have those. I don't have the jump rings. I don't have the tools to connect all of these together. So it would be a costly process for me to purchase all of the items to make these myself. So in that instance, I'd rather just buy them from Kay. Let her make them, save my time, save my money, and save me fiddling about trying to figure out how to make these things. She has the knowledge, so why not? And look at these. I love the sound they make. These are beautiful paper clips. So as I say, we've got the lovely, she's used jewellery findings on these. We've got tiny little buttons and little seeds, and then just the smallest, most delicate amount of crocheted lace. Those are going to look beautiful on the edge of your book, holding some tags in place perhaps, or a journaling spot in place, or even just to look lovely. I think those are gorgeous. So that is one item that are going to be available to order. Okay, and there's another item are these beautiful tassels. These are absolutely beautiful. One of these on the spine of your book, or a few littered through your journal, attached to your pages with eyelets or such like, attached to maybe tabs as well. I think they're beautiful. They are on lobster claws, which is another, you know, jewellery finding. And these are stunning. They're absolutely beautiful. Now, I did try to make one of these, and it really, really didn't turn out very good. It's not as easy as it looks to make them. There is a certain skill involved, chiefly with the tying of the threads here to make sure that those beads are nice and tight and you don't have, you know, bits of thread showing, and it all just sits nicely. So I would rather buy these off Kay and show a little bit of support to her little small business enterprise rather than struggle and make my own and it look terrible. If I buy them from Kay, I know they're going to be perfect. So they can sit in my little box of embellishments for my journal, and when I'm making a journal I can just flick through and I've got them ready made. This is another set that she's made, and I am totally in love with these. So these are like little tickets that she's die cut, and again she's added some lovely lace, and we've got jewellery findings, and we've got lobster claw so you can attach it to anything. And then on here we've got the smallest little what are these called? Safety pins. I can't think of the name then. And they have got tiny little crystals and little seed beads on. I just think those are absolutely beautiful, and I am really thrilled. I can't wait to use these. Some of these are going to be going most definitely in the journal that I am on with at the moment. And like I said, the benefit is that they're there, they're ready to go. You don't have to start faffing about making them. And you know they're going to be right, you know they're going to be perfect, and you're not having to go out and source all of these items. It's all done for you. What more could you want? And at the same time, you're supporting a little enterprise, which then helps Kay keep from shouting at fruit in Asda, which is my favourite saying for, you know, keeping your mind occupied, keeping yourself busy and productive, and you know, perhaps affording Kay a small amount of income for these items, so that she can basically replenish her crafty items and keep her going, and then make more to help us out with our crafting. I think it's a great service that she's going to be providing. I absolutely adore all of Kay's work, and I urge you to go on over and go and like her Facebook page, Kay's Beads. I can't think of the name because my memory is absolutely shocking, but I will leave a link to the group in the description box below. Go on over, click like on the actual group, not just on a post, and that way whenever Kay posts anything on there, you will get a notification. Keep an eye on Kay's channel as well. She's full of inspiration. I hope that lots of people will go and purchase these from Kay, because I think she will provide you with an awesome service. And as you can see, everything is packaged beautifully. She's a bit of a stickler for the eye for detail, as our Kay. You won't get any shoddy work from Kay, I can absolutely guarantee it. These are stunning, and yeah, I'm going to have to stare at them and stroke them for a while, especially these and these and these. And then I will very carefully use them in my journals. A massive thank you to Kay for sending me these. They are beautiful, and I'm very grateful for these. And I look forward to seeing what else Kay creates for us to use in our junk journals. So I leave that with you. Do go on over and find Kay, and if you would like to order any of these products, just let her know, and I'm sure she will be happy to oblige. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.